Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change background in Zoom meeting app on your Android phone. So all you have to do now, you can open a Zoom meeting on your phone. So after you update, make sure your Zoom meeting is the latest version. After the update, you cannot set your virtual background anymore on the settings. So for example, in previous version, you can set your virtual background on meeting settings. Now, in order to change your background, you can start new meeting or join new meeting. Here, for example, after you join new meeting, you can try to search virtual background on apps. This one, you can tap apps. Then you can tap on virtual backgrounds option. So now you can change your virtual background using the pixels. Powered by Pixel, there are 4 categories: nature, interiors, art, and travel. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click the text button below. See you in the next video.